Alright guys, today I have a Toyota Corolla here up in the air. If you have any Toyota, Honda, any car, Mercedes, BMWs, Lexus, alright? And if you're having a front end noise, meaning every time you hit a bump, all you hear is clunk, 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 like a rattling noise. Every time you hit a pothole, this shock right here it absorbs it pretty much. Alright? And to the shock is your linkage that's connected, which is connected to the sway bar going across. Right in there, you have a sway bar bushing all the way down there. That will make a softer noise, which I did not change because I discovered a bad linkage, all right? So any car with the front end noise, guys, take a look at this. You also have a ball joint down here. In this case, the ball joint is not bad. All right, so I have a complete assembly here. Look at this shock here, gone. The linkage was dead. All right, in this case the linkage was rattling, making a crazy noise. All right, so I replaced the linkage. There's a bolt here, there's a bolt here. Right, usually I heat these up with a torch and take them out of there. Right, in this case I didn't even take out the bolt here because I was changing everything together. Right, so it's gone. And on the top you have a strut mount. All right, so that's the reason why I bought assembly, because of buying a separate mount and the shock was costing more. And put a good shock, guys. Don't put the cheaper one. I'm using a Monroe here on this Toyota, and that's what I'm putting on this. All right. Same thing goes in the back. Like this Toyota does not have a linkages back there. It has a suspend. The whole rear end is one piece. All right, that's how that works. But there it is. I changed it, and let me go on the opposite side. On this side, I did the same thing, all right? The real problem was right here, guys. Look at this linkage. It was dead. It was gone, all right? It was pretty much bouncing in there, right? And this linkage was rattling in there, and it was making a terrible noise, all right? Customer does have a leak. I told them about it. Same thing, guys. I swapped up the new linkage, put a new linkage in there, put a new shock, assembly. Comes with the new mount. I still have to tighten those bolts. So once this tire sits down on the ground, I will tighten the top bolts. Very simple job, guys. Any car that's making a noise, front end noise, that's what you're gonna look into, all right? And if you guys have a problem with the car, send me a message. It could be anything, and we'll talk about it, all right? And the shock has 2 bolts here, 3 on the top, right? And then you do need to remove this bolt right here so the brake line can be released. Make sure you put it back together, and make sure your line is going same direction, same way behind this linkage, just the way this one is. If you by mistake put it here, it's gonna get broken, pinched, you're gonna lose the brakes. Don't do that, right, guys? Be safe, pay attention, and do the job right. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you. Peace out, subscribe, and bye-bye.